How to create Badoo account without verification. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss if you can create your Badoo account without verification. So let's start. First of all, let me open the Badoo app and show you the process of creating a Badoo account. When you download the Badoo app and open it, you will come to the screen like this. Now you can either manually create your account by going through the options on the top, or you can either continue with Google or Facebook. For now, we are going to continue with Google. So let's tap on continue with Google. Then after, it will ask you to select your Google account. Select the one that you want to use. After that, select the preferences that you want to set in your account as per your desire. After you select continue with Google and select all the preferences, you will have to upload a photo and enter your birth date. Then after, your account will be created. While creating your Badoo account with Google or Facebook, you don't have to verify your phone number. So basically now we have created a Badoo account without any verification. If you go for the manual method, then you will have to enter either your phone number or email address in order to create your account. So you can use any of the phone number or email address method if you want to avoid using the other. In this way, you can create a Badoo account without phone verification. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.